Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rena Rouge from Miraculous Ladybug. So let's get started. To draw this cute fox Miraculous, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And let's come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now I have my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. Some a thicker one and maybe just one more. Same thing over here. One thick lash and one more right at the bottom. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So let's say about right here, right in the center. We're going to come down a little bit lower because she has a mask. So let's go about right here. And give her a sweet smile. So cap it off. And let's see. Now we're going to have to frame her face. So let's come to the sides where her eyes are. The top of her eyes come out really close to the lash. And I'll just give myself a point. Same thing right here. And we're going to curve down. So come down, bottom of a U. To frame her face. So let's find my, let's see here, let's come down to say about right here, give myself a point, and this is where I'm going to go ahead and connect. And up. There. It looks really weird right now, huh? We need to put a mask on her. Okay, so now that her face in, so let's come, let's see here, let's bring this up a little bit more. So I'm just going to curve it in, and same thing here. So then from there, just imagining this oval, so let's say about right here, I'll give myself a point right in the center, and from here is where I'm going to curve down, right over her eye. Same thing here. Curve right over her eye, and then from there is where we're going to start to draw her mask. So right in between the eyes of it, but right here I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to go up with a slight curve, and same thing over here. Then let's come in between her eyes and say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to curve down and go up. Same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and find the center again, say about right here in between, and we're going to draw a widen out V. So there's two colors in her mask that get separated. So a thing about right here. Okay, and then her eyebrows, so about right in this area. We'll go ahead and draw this curve and thicken it up. And same thing here. It's like an elongated teardrop shape. Okay, so hopefully that looks a little bit better now. Then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to draw her hair. So we're going to go up straight up, say about this high. We're going to go out on both sides. From there, we're going to have to draw her ears. So right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and just pop in these ears. So about right here, we'll just draw a curve, and we're going to make them nice and big. So in this area, just gonna find my center here, go up. So say about right here is how high I want them to be. And I'm just go ahead and connect. And connect. So just by giving myself this point right at the center, I just kind of know where I'm going when I'm drawing. Just makes it a little bit easier. And we're going to draw this curve that's inside. And I'll thicken this up. Okay, so same thing over here. So about right here. Just take a look at the other side and about right here. And so once again, kind of find your center. So about right there, I'll give myself a point. And let's go ahead and connect. And once again, draw the inside and thicken it up. Okay, so now we have our ears, and hopefully I didn't make them too big, but then we're going to come out about right here and here. Okay, so then now we're going to draw two very important strands of hair. So let's come to the sides of her face and about right here. Let's go ahead and draw this one strand and thicken it up. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then we can come in here. We're going to connect it with one curve right here and here for the front. And then she has some strands in the back. So right here, come down, and about right here, I'm just going to curve up and in. So let's do the same thing on this side. And in. And then from there, let's draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So right in the center, let's give her a little neck right here, and then we're going to curve it out for her shoulders. And same thing here. And then let's kind of find her armpit area. So about right here and here, I'll just give myself a point, and we're going to draw a slight angle line out, just so we know what we're working with. And let's come back in this area. We're going to draw her collar. Just going to draw this little V right here, and then bring it down to about right here. Just put in the center, and then she has this necklace that's kind of like this hook shape. Necklace right there. So then let's keep bringing this down. And bring it down to say about right here is where I'm going to split and start to draw her legs. And bring this down. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We're just going to work on this leg first. I'm going to bring it out, and it's just going to get thinner as we come down. To say about right there. Then I'm just going to come out and draw her feet. And connect. There, so same thing over here. So it comes out a little bit with an angle. Bring this all the way down, thinner towards her ankle area, and then we're going to go out to So this curves and connect right there for her feet. Okay, so it's pretty much a tight bodysuit, so that's why there's really not much shape. We're just going to come down, draw the legs. So then for the arms, we're going to come down to the sides and we're going to bring them out a little bit. So come right here. We're going to end about in this area. So right here, I'm going to draw a thumb and just her fingers. Nice and simple, just bring them down as well. So same thing over here. So just want to make sure we're ending about the same area right here. Thumb. Everything is so long. Okay, and fingers. Okay, so now that we have this all in, now we can go ahead and spruce it up. So in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line here and here. We're going to break it up. There's this white patch right here, and we're going to bring it all the way down to about right here. So just curve it in. So same thing over here. Just curve it in. And then, right, come back to here. We're going to draw a straight line down, and then we're going to curve it out. And same thing here. You know, there's a lot of different versions of her outfit, but this was the one. Hopefully, I picked the right one to draw. So we're going to pop this out. It's kind of like mimicking the foxtail. So just pop this out as well. Right there, and then give a little tail, so coming out about right here, and connect there. And then there's a curve right here for some shape, and here. So once we color everything in, it'll make more sense. It'll look a lot better, especially with her mask. And so then for her hair, let's finish it off. We're going to come in this area, simplify it, and just add one big curve right here. And same thing on this side. There. Okay, and see if we're missing anything here. Add some parting lines. And I think that is pretty much it. Oh, her, sorry, her boots. So let's come about right here. Oh my gosh, you're probably screaming at me. Don't forget that part. And here. Okay, now I think we're done. And that is pretty much it here for this. I hope I didn't overcomplicate it. I know it looks pretty complicated, but I hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. Rena Rouge here from Miraculous Ladybug. And thanks always for all the requests to draw more Miraculous Ladybugs for you. And thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.